In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Google Docs that won't delete. If you've ever scrolled to the end of a document and found a stubborn blank page that refuses to go away, don't worry, this walkthrough will help you clean it up quickly and confidently. First, we'll look for hidden characters that might be forcing that extra page in your document. Go to the View menu and choose Show Non-Printing Characters. This reveals invisible elements like paragraph marks, line breaks, page breaks, and section breaks that can create blank space. Click onto the unwanted blank page and carefully remove anything you see there. Use backspace or delete to clear out paragraph marks and line breaks. And delete any page or section break labels that appear. You can also drag to highlight everything on that page and press backspace to clear it all at once. As you tidy up, you should see the blank page disappear. When you are done, you can turn off non-printing characters the same way you turned them on. If the page is still hanging around, try the cursor method to merge pages. Place your cursor at the very start of the page that comes after the unwanted one. Then press backspace. This pulls content up and removes the gap that was creating the extra page. Alternatively, place your cursor at the very end of the text on the preceding page and press delete to nudge anything below it upward. This is especially effective if a single stray line or blank paragraph is pushing content onto a new page. If you remove too much by accident, just undo and try again more carefully. If neither of those solves it, check your page margins. Go to File, then Page Setup, and review the bottom margin. An oversized bottom margin can force the final line or an empty paragraph onto a new page. Reduce the bottom margin slightly until the layout returns to a single page at the end. Keep in mind that margin changes affect the entire document, so choose a value that keeps your formatting looking the way you want while eliminating the extra page. That's it. Reveal and remove hidden characters. Use the cursor to backspace or delete the gap and adjust the bottom margin if needed. With these quick fixes, that stubborn page should be gone for good. Thanks for watching.